He is doing this on his own free will.
Yes.
He cannot sue us.
No. Don't be mad if the car blows up. A Volvo, right?
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. That's cute. Windshield wipers for the headlights.
Two-wheel. Is it front-wheel drive? I think he said front-wheel drive.
I think he's already out. These cars are coming. Dude,
Pop back out.
Pop back out.
See if he pops the hood.
Almost. It is. Very nice.
This is the battery.
Yeah. She'll fire right up.
No, all you need to do is now find a battery.
Yeah.
I don't think juice in this battery. Might have to get this nut out. Thing is, I know the battery will fit in there, but on the height wise, I don't know if we can shut the hood all the way.
Don't leave the hood shut.
Take it off. I always had it hooked up on here.
Okay. Well, we got a battery hooked up.
Well, let's see if
See it turns over.
yeah, but I don't know how to.
How you put that top down?
It's got a freaking drift stick.
You think he's doing really fast.
We're living in luxury with this thing.
Figure it out.
Should I just send it out of here?
Sure, why not?
There goes the bumper. Oh. Oh, it's front-wheel drive.
It'll buff out.
Pop out.
Oh man.
Here.
Okay, wait, it's front wheel drive, right?
Yeah.
Is that what you were talking about?
Flick.
Yeah.
Have you tried to do one before?
No, never. Never. Never.
Top down.
Yeah.
We're gonna do a Rockford slide, all right?
Not gonna lie, I was a little scared.
That road's good.
So in this video, we forgot to shoot a intro. And so in this video, this old Volvo we've had sitting in our barn for about a year now. And today we wanted to get it out and see what we can do with it. So enjoy the video. This is gonna go terribly.
Yeah, do not go that way. Seatbelts. Okay, are you doubting my driving that much?
Maybe. Maybe.
Okay, I understand. Check engine. Fuck it. What I want to know is this motherfucker doing. Hey guys.
Drive on top of it.
Scared the f out of me. I was not expecting that. I did not expect that.
Look at your pants.
A little bit. I peed. I won't lie. How bad does it hurt? Did it even hurt it?
Plastic everywhere.
Oh crap. on, Connor! Honest to God, we're just paving a track at this point with how good the tire tracks are.
The drone's right there, so anything cool happens needs to happen right here. Oh, you should.
I'm not scared. I'm excited. Oh fuck, what is that?
I don't know.
What is that? Yeah. There you go, pull it. Send it. Oh my!
What is that?
What is that? I don't know.
It's like something's on fire.
Oh shit! We're smoking up on the dash.
Are we?
Something's definitely. It's just all the smoke, the dust, and stuff on the motor. No big deal. Definitely, probably don't have it. It's just that. We'll say it's that. Yeah! Oh shit! Oh, no. Stay on it! Let it get in turn! We're sorry! Don't give us a ticket! Yeah! Oh!
You go around the pond, it's a lot more hilly and stuff too.
Yeah, let's go up there.
Alright.
And there you go, there you go, there you go. Hey, there you go. Oh shit, we're smoking up on the dash.
Are we? Where?
There was a little bit of smoke, I could have swore.
Oh, really?
Oh shit, fuck it, right?
Yeah, really?
It's not overheating. Yeah, it's not overheating. Temp gauge says it's
Oh, so we're
good.
good then.
Yeah, we're fine.
What belt?
Oh, you're probably right. The power steering is noisy, so that might be what it is.
We're low on power steering.
Yeah, one of the two.
Oh no.
If he does here and then back out, he might.
Send it.
Alright, now go back again. Give it hell.
I think we're already stuck.
Thunder's gone.
Let him all the way to the left.
Oh.
That's good. Right there. Alright, now
be almost like gas.
You seen the damn truck? Look at the front.
What the? This is way not mine. I call driving next.
Christmas again.
What?
If I ever get you anything for Christmas again. Down the pond.
Yeah, away from the pond.
I didn't think it was a soupy.
I didn't think he's gonna try it.
It's more clay than that is mud.
You wouldn't in the summertime.
Yes, very.
Oh, love.
Oh. There it goes. Keep going.
Oh, I know.
Yeah. That's gonna look great.
No more bumper anymore.
What do you mean? It's still a bumper here.
Hey. Up the hood. Get the
Under
Oh, yeah,
there.
there is.
Yeah, right
Down
there.
below.
Here we go.
Not bad idea.
Hit that rev limiter.
Yeah! Now I find out. No more bumper, right? Good.
Nope, over.
Woo-hoo. Like, that's out. Go where? Perfect. Hang on. Woo! Oh. We are so almost out of gas.
Yeah, don't feel like pushing this back.
Yeah, I'm not gonna do it with him back
Yeah.
there.
oh shit handle.
Oh shit, there's not.
I need my oh shit handle.
Come on, baby, quick. Oh, that down.
Yeah, it's probably I guess. Yeah,
Probably. Almost out of gas, probably ought to park it. I don't feel like pushing it. Yeah. Put it back right there. Woo! Hang on.
Ooh. Oh. It's just a fan, I think. Stir up dust. or you cracked the radiator doing that.
Oh.
Holy crap.
Dude! I did not expect that for today. Woo! Oh my God. I've watched plenty of Talladega Nights. Oh! Right here.
Oh no, there's smoke.
Yep.
Pretty bad.
It's not terrible.
Is it overheating?
No. I think it was probably just right there.
Just happened?
Right.
Yeah.
Oh, coming through here? The bumper protected it. Well, we backed out.
Yeah. Let's see here. Honestly, I can't say where it's leaking.
Off the hood. Probably shroud, you can't see it. Hit, run it, fill it up again.
Oh.
Fan spark.
It's somewhere in there.
Just can't believe it's not made for.
Those yours?